Hey, what's going on, wealth builders? Man, your boy is ready. I'm excited. It's that time of the month where I'm going to do various, and I mean various, crypto and stock purchases. And I typically do them around the 21st through the 31st or the 30th of the month. And I can tell you, in this video, we're going to be making purchases on the Gemini.com crypto platform. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about saving, we talk about investing, we talk about investing on a budget and everything personal finance. If there's something you're interested in, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. It helps me get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this, especially when people are trying to learn about crypto and or stocks and or ETF investing. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. All right, here we are. We're in my Gemini account, and we're going to be bouncing between my Gemini account, where I'm going to make my investments, and also COINBASE, which I'm going to show you the previous performances and where I see these different cryptocurrencies going. So first and foremost, I am sitting at $581.80 in my portfolio. And in this video, I'm going to be making purchases in the Sandbox. This is my metaverse account. The Sandbox, Luna, which is not a metaverse coin, Decentraland, or also known as Mana, and I'm going to be making purchases in 𝗙𝗥𝗬𝗣𝗧𝗢, which is another metaverse coin. So what I want to do right now is I want to just look at some of the previous performances, and as you can see, I do have earned balances, meaning I'm earning interest on these cryptos, and we'll talk about that in a future video. But I want to jump over here and look, and I'm going to jump over and I'm going to look at what the crypto is doing as far as past performances. Then I'm going to make a purchase, and I'm going to do this for each of the 4 different cryptocurrencies. First and foremost, we have the Sandbox, ticker symbol SAND, SAND, a metaverse token that I'm telling you right now, and I'm going to do another video on that. It is about to blow up, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is what Rod's doing. Please do your own research. This video is for educational information purposes only. But today, it's up 20.09% in the last week. It's up 24.85%. And in the last month, it's up 12.35%. I'm not getting into the last year. I'm just curious to see what has it done for me lately. I'm like Janet Jackson. What has it done for me lately? So I can tell you, I'm about to jump over here and make a purchase in the Sandbox. I'm going to go over here, click on the Sandbox. It's going to pull it up. You can see it has buy, how often, once, how much we are investing on a budget. I am catering this channel to people that are trying to get into the crypto, the stock, the ETF, the mutual fund game, and you may not have a lot of money. If you have a gang of money, then you know what you need to do. But right now, I want to focus on people that are just getting started and just want to get in the game. They want to get in the parade, and they don't want to be watching the parade pass them by. They want to be in the parade. But anyway, we're going to invest $25. I'm going to click continue. I have a balance right now of $100. All I have is $100 to spend. Not a lot of money because we are on a budget. And I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to actually invest $23.51. There is a transaction fee of $1.49, kind of like going to the ATM. I'm going to confirm. Your order has been placed. Click got it. And I bought it at a pretty good price. And I'm going to go down here. And now I have 6.87 SAND tokens. 6.87. Next coin that I'm going to invest in, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, because time is money. Time is money. The next coin I'm going to invest in is Luna. or Terra Luna. And I want to see what the prices is. And right now, it is currently $99.79. This is a little high, but this is not one of my metaverse tokens. This is just something I want to go ahead and get into. I wanted to do the metaverse tokens in order, but I see that Luna is going up, and I want to go ahead and make my purchases because I want to buy low. And when I decide to sell, I want to sell high. I don't want to buy high, so I don't want to keep it watch it going up. I want to go ahead and get in. Today it's up 16.19%, and the last week it's up 55.34%, and in the last month it's up 133. Man, I don't even want to spend too much time. Let me go back to Gemini. Let me scroll up. I need to go to search. Actually, I don't even need to go to search. I'm going to go to earn. I'm going to do something different here. I'm going to go down to Luna, which is right here. I'm going to click earn because I'm earning interest on this coin. And it'll tell me current Luna price, the source. I don't want to buy to that. I want to buy new crypto. And I want to say once, $25. I got $100 to buy. Continue. I'm buying it out of my USD balance because I transferred $100 over. I'm earning 4.52% interest on this coin. I'm going to invest $23.51. There's a $1.49 fee, which I hate. A total of $25. Click confirm. It's taking a little while. Your buy order is complete. I purchased 0.23. I'm not worried about the rest of them. I'm almost a quarter coin of Terra Luna. And I wanted to get in that one quick. The next one in the list is, I'm going to go back to trade, is Mana or Decentraland. It's going to come up. It's $3.65. And I'm buying this. I wish I would have did this video yesterday because it's up 12.12% today. Up 15.91% in the last week. Is trading at $3.65. And in the last month, it's up 9. It's down. Excuse me. This is when I wanted to take advantage of this. It's down 9.18%. But right now, today, it is making a recovery. It's up 12.93%. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to scroll down to Mana or Decentraland. And it's going to say Decentraland. When you guys hear me say Mana, that is the symbol for it. Excuse me, I need to get a sip of water here. Oh, man. So I'm going to go ahead and click earn on Decentraland. Buy new crypto. It's trading at $3.65. I will get a 1.25% APY on this. $25. Continue. It's coming out of my USD balance. I done went over all this. Confirm. It's a done deal. Excuse me. The last one I have is Axie Infinity, which is another metaverse token. And I'm speeding this up because for the sake of time, I just want to get down and dirty. I want people to see how easy it is. I'm earning 4.04% APY on this token. How often do I want to invest? I'm buying new crypto. It's trading at $106.45. Another $25. Continue. I only have $25 left in my US balance. Click confirm. It's going to spend a little while. And that's what I don't like, man. Hurry up. I bought 0.21, almost another quarter of a coin. Click done. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's how easy it is to purchase crypto and to just make your different purchases. Tonight, we are in the Gemini platform. We're on the Gemini platform, but you're going to see me do videos on BLOCKFI. You're going to see me do videos on Voyager. You're going to see me do videos on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. You're going to see me do videos on Gemini and Crypto.com. The only one you won't see me do a video on is my 𝗕𝗓𝗧𝗢𝗓 account because I tend to transfer crypto into the Celsius account because it earns higher interest. And I'm going to do a video on that as well, but you won't see me make a direct purchase. Anyway, what do you think of the purchases that I just made on Gemini? What do you think of the metaverse coins? What do you think of just crypto in general? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. As always, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, share it on your social media platforms. Shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. One last thing I got to say is stay grounded and stay grinding. And with all that being said, I will be coming at y'all soon, dropping even more knowledge, even more financial advice. And until the next road, not financial advice, financial suggestions. And until the next time, peace, baby. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all soon.